Hi, welcome to Glow's Kinder Kitchen, and I'm Glow. Well, today I'm making a poached egg, and I thought I'd show you how I make my poached eggs. I went ahead earlier today, this morning, and I have made some homemade corned beef hash, and that's why I'm making a poached egg today, is to go with that. So anyway, let's get started. What I did first is I went ahead and I have brought to a hard simmer a pan of water, about a half an inch deep at the most. And I just wanted to show you that. I'm going to go ahead and cover it so it stays nice and hot. And I'm going to turn it up just a little because when you remove the lid off of a pan like that, it cools down pretty quick. So I take an egg and I crack it on my counter, never on the side of my dish because I try to prevent egg shells to get in it. And I break it open just like that. Then I remove the lid off my pan. And see how my water, it's just breaking the surface? I'm going to go ahead and slide my egg in very carefully. Now some people will add, I'm going to go ahead and put the lid on this. Some people add vinegar to their water, like white vinegar. I know some people use the apple cider vinegar. I have tried that. The reason they do that is so that it keeps the white part of your egg from separating very much and going into the water. I prefer not to do that because I can taste a little bit of the vinegar, and if that's just a personal preference. And sometimes I do salt the water, but today I didn't because I'm having corned beef hash with it and I don't need that additional salt. So I'm going to go ahead and I have my burner on pretty low, number 2 actually. I'm going to cook it like this for 2 minutes and then I'm going to remove it completely off the heat for it to set even more. So I'll be back with you in just a little bit. Hi, well, it's been a couple more minutes and look at that. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this and we'll put it on this plate. And I always use a slotted spatula, and I did break the yolk just a tiny bit there that's still in the pan, but it's all right, it's all good. So take a look at that. And I'm going to go ahead and cut into it so you can see what it looks like. This is the way I like it. See how that yolk just runs?
Looks good, Miss Glow.
Yep. So I hope you enjoyed this today. And if you like this, please like and subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Bye.